Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, joined by Executive Chef Anthony Marino.
Hello, everyone.
And we're going to do a fun segment today. And Chef, what's it called?
It's called What Would Matt Do? We play this little lightning round where I got this little buzzer here, and I just keep hitting the buzzer. It just gives me a different question, and we really phrase it as, what would Matt Hillebrand do, our resident guru of all appliance knowledge. Now, I know you got a lot of brothers, and they're listening to that, so, step up to the plate, boys. You know what I mean, Matt? I will put, I'll put Matt up to the test. I mean, he's the real deal inside and out. So let's click on the buzzer here. What would Matt do? Top dishwasher, no price. Where are you going?
No price, top dishwasher.
Whatever you want. I mean, I like Santa's bag. I'm just giving you a dishwasher.
I would do the Miele Professional for the Home dishwasher. Okay. So the Miele Professional for the Home, it is a excellent dishwasher. You can do a pots and pans load from start to finish in 1 hour.
You heard 1 hour,
Okay,
folks.
so 1 hour. Typical pots and pan load on a traditional dishwasher from start to finish is 3 hours.
3.5, yeah, 3 hours, yeah.
Listen, I don't have time to wait 3 hours to do a second or third load. We had
not the mess I make.
We had Mother's Day at our house yesterday, and my son made raviolis for my wife and for our daughters, and we had a ton of dishes, a ton. So we had our prep dishes. We had those going.
Yeah.
Okay, those were done. Right after the prep dishes were done, we threw in another load, sat down and ate, and then we had a third load before we went to bed.
Nailed them all.
So to do 3 loads subsequently within 3 hours, I think is huge. So for that, if no money is an option,
no money's an option.
That's the dishwasher.
I mean, think about it. You're saving time and load. You don't need 2 dishwashers. All you need is one that does it in an hour. I love that. That's great. All right. Rolling the buzzer again. Let me hit it.
Hold on. How about we get a dishwasher in like a price point?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Give me a dishwasher
like under $600.
Under $600.
Under $600, I would get a Beko dishwasher. The Beko under $600, stainless steel tank, third row option. It's got great cleanability. It's nice and quiet. You are not going to find a nicer dishwasher under $600.
No, that Beko is a steal. Pro look on it too, matches all the pieces. It's a clean machine.
All right, and last one, I'll throw one right in the middle.
Yeah, give me a middle.
$600 to $1,100. I would look at Bosch. Bosch offers a lot of different models in that price range.
I love that.
That's where I would go.
I'm hitting a button. Banging. Here we go. Give me top 3. Give me a good, better, best on your air fry ranges.
Air fry
ranges. Which is a hot topic right now, man. Air fry everything, all right?
Yeah, so air fry ranges, I would consider, LG has a really nice air fry range, which I think is at a very, very good price point. GE has an excellent air fry range, which again I think is at a very, very good price point. That would be kind of like a middle of the road.
Yeah.
And then kind of like a high end.
Is it a monogram profile? I don't know. Where are you going?
I would probably look at the profile, yeah. I would look at the profile. I think from an aesthetic standpoint, from a feature standpoint, the nice large oven, that's where I would go.
Yeah. The profile looks good, especially But the air fry is where I love to be, man. Everybody loves the look of the air fry.
So just help us out, right? Air fry. Just real quick, what's air fry?
So what we're doing in air fry is we're using that convection fan, turbocharging that oven. And it has to have a select basket screen, kind of like a deep fryer basket, but it's for your oven rack. So it sits right in there. Then you put a solid tray underneath, and we're going to put all of our items in there. But it really works on that broiler element, bringing that heat. And if you look on certain models, you'll see just like there's usually a mirrored broiler element on the top. So now they have that mirrored broiler element with a little bit of cuts in it. So those cuts aerodynamically, again, those convection fans push that air towards the glass, and now it's taking it above on the broiler and bringing that hot air down. So we really get that high temp, that high heat with that convection fan to make everything lighter and crispier. I mean, French fries, you name it. I mean, we talk air fry everything, but from convenience food standpoint, but now it gets it off your island and it's bringing it in the oven, so you don't need another piece on your island, and you have it built into your range. Super good. So think about high, hot temperature, great convection.
Perfect.
Yeah, I mean, that was more of what's that one thing chef knows.
Love it.
Let's talk. Let's run the thing now. So, ooh, this is a good button pusher. Gas versus induction.
Induction.
Hands down, huh?
Hands down. I don't like to clean. I'm the one that, after my wife, she does all the cooking after she's done cooking. I do as well a job as I can cleaning up.
Listen,
but
I've seen you clean.
That's
you can
right.
clean. He can clean.
It's very, very easy to clean. I love the fact that it is much faster than gas. And I don't like the cleaning gas burners and grates and all that stuff.
Yeah. Anything about, the California, New York, the gas going away, the induction staying forever? I mean,
the only thing that worries me is just how, if we get rid of gas ranges, how are we going to power all of these electric ranges?
Makes sense.
And along with everything else electric, like our cars and every other creature comfort. But getting back to what we do, induction by far is the way I would go.
Let's talk about inductions, though. I mean, how do we got those in those modular pieces? You can get them in cooktops or range tops. So
or ranges. I mean, there's great options available.
Yeah.
So definitely, if you've got the option of gas and electric, consider induction.
All right, boom. Pizza oven versus grill. Where are you going? I mean,
I have both.
Yeah, I was going to say, you have both. So.
I have both. The pizza oven's fun. I'm still struggling to kind of master that. I think the grill is easier to use, obviously. You definitely can throw a pizza on a grill.
Yeah.
I just did both last weekend, two weekends ago.
Yeah.
And quite frankly, full disclosure, the pizza came out a little nicer on my grill
than
my pizza oven.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say the grill, but the pizza oven's a lot of fun.
Yeah. I mean, for me, if I had a button, I would go pizza oven just because I love it, man.
Well, you're Italian, of course you
probably. It's about, we got enough time. I'm going to ring the buzzer one more time. The all-important top load versus front load.
I would always do front load.
Yeah.
And the reason why I would always do front load, our family doesn't like to do laundry. My kids love to stuff it full. Nobody undersizes a laundry load, and if you do, it's few and far between.
Yeah, God bless your soul.
So the front load units are a lot more forgiving for oversized loads. Front loaders also clean better because they're continually tumbling your clothes.
And plus, like you put it to me one day, you're like, Anth, it's gravity. You know what I mean? It's gravity. Like, these are always going to be tumbling. You know what I mean?
Water is always being brought through the clothes versus the clothes being brought through a tub of dirty water.
Once you just visually do that, you're sold on laundry. I mean, it makes it so much easier and so much more compact on that one.
Yeah, now the only drawback to front load, they do cost more than a top load, but the great part is we've got great financing options. So they're really, we can help make up that difference very easily in store.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I think we're going to wrap up out the door here. I don't know if I have enough time for a Matt Buzzer, but
it was fun.
It was good. I like putting you on the hot seat. You're real good at this.
No, appreciate it. There's always great appliance options out there. Be sure to go to donsappliances.com. Go to our YouTube channel.
Check out all 11 stores. You know what I mean? We're here.
Yeah, thank you.